Hey everyone, I'm Nick with Nick's Custom Woodworks, and I'm going to show you how to make a half lap joint. There are many tools that you can use to make a half lap joint, but many people don't know that you can use your miter saw. So we're going to take you over to the miter saw and show you how to do it on that. This is a project that we recently finished up where we did use half lap joints for the top and bottom of this table base, and you can see how well they turned out. So let's go. On the side of the miter saw, there's this little depth stopper. Drop it down and then adjust your set screw for whatever depth you want. Use a scrap piece of wood to check your depth, and you're ready to go. We place this board up against the fence so that it brings the piece that we're cutting out further so the bottom of the blade will reach the entire length of the piece. Start with the two outside lines first and then just cut out everything in the middle. Now you have an easy to make half lap joint on the miter saw with a nice tight fit. So now you know how to make a half lap joint on your sliding miter saw. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us every week for our tips, tricks, and our other builds.